On this series, I will show you some of the cool places where you can motorcycle, tackling them through the back road twisties of California. And the best part is we'll see all of the 8 of 9 national parks in California along with it. So come and join me on this adventure. I say 8 out of 9 because Channel Island National Park is one of them, and Channel Island is you have to take a boat to get to it, and I wasn't about to take the motorcycle to a boat to go to Channel Island. So most of us only have 2 weeks max for a day off from work. So if you can stay a little longer in these national parks, if you have more time, that will actually be better. But since I only have 2 weeks, I'll do it for 2 weeks. I've lived in the state for most of my life and been to almost all of these places by car, on foot, and motorcycling. My favorite one is seeing these places on a motorcycle. So the view is spectacular, where you sit, ride, and just absorb the beauty of nature. Before I made the series, I actually watched a lot of vlogs that are incredible. They have actually inspired me to do this, and I wanted to do an adventure motorcycling ride and have a goal, so I wanted to put the national parks with it. So I want to show you these places. First on the list, of course, is packing for a 2-week adventure motorcycle ride. I'll see you in the next vlog. Thanks for watching.